Number one today on a 93-degree June day. Number two today, a runt. Now it's number one for Aiden. Oh, hey, what are you going to do? Fish is a fish. There you go, number two for Aiden. Get the hook out of him. Should come out pretty easy. Go, hold on. Number three. This might be the biggest one yet. Yeah, he's a 12-incher. It's bigger. Number three for Aiden. We 3 up, huh? We all got 3. Well, it's just me and you. Yeah, that's a pretty nice one there. He's a 12-incher at least. Get the hemostats. Get number 4 for Aiden. Get the hemostats and get it out of there. Right there on the ground. Yeah, number 4. They're getting bigger.